Hey, we are back with Professor Abrameli, and this time on law, order, justice, and balance of powers.
Just as language is a tool, law is a tool. It's a set of constructs, understandings, expectations, coordination of words, sentences, grammar, chronology, contingencies, lists. It is a structure of language which guides present behavior and deters negative behavior and inspires other behaviors towards prescribed long-term aspirations that a group has. It is a quite remarkable long-term conception of the need to develop transgenerational instruments that will guide the group beyond the immediacy of their condition towards, and it understands their larger context in time and in place. It suggests consciousness and layers of consciousness, and therefore I call it the marvel of law.
If you could put it in a different way, if you define the same idea, it would
Well,
contextualize.
Well, every set of laws over periods of time, if they if they don't have a point, they disappear.
Expire.
They expire. They say, why are we doing this? So laws generally have gone through the furnace of reality to test them. Not 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So when you see laws, however arcane they may believe, there was a period of time that this was critically important and that it did something. And so it is not to be taken for granted, even if it did a mistake. But especially laws that last for long periods of time, because the law is interesting because it really is a way to verbalize human action and to create a long-term applied pressure onto certain points or into certain areas, and that these long-term pressures will be sustained by other people, by courts and by legislation. So there needs to be a purpose. There's a purpose for it. This energy put into ensuring its observance, it would be wasted were it not functional.